Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first app and you click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.